In today's video, I'll share with you how to create bulleted and numbered lists in Microsoft Word. So forgive my voice, I'm having flu. So we're gonna go right into it. First, let us create a Microsoft document. So I'm just gonna go and search here for Word. Now for this example, I'm gonna create a blank document. Okay, so I'm gonna save it as, in this PC, I'll save it in documents and I'm gonna name it lists. So now after this, I'm just gonna put in some basic content. So I have written my content somewhere. So I'm just gonna put it there. Now you can see this has weekly office supplies. It has employee benefits. So I'm gonna show you how to arrange all these using lists. So the first, let us look at how to create bulleted lists. So to create a bullet, I'm going to put my cursor here where I want to put the bullet. And then I'll come here. You can see here it has bulleted lists and I'll just click on it. Now you notice that it's only created the first value as a bullet point. What if I want all these to be bulleted? So what I'll do is I'll highlight all that and then I'll click bullet. And that is it. Alternatively, you can just, if you want to add another item, you can just press enter and then add it here. For example, let's add punching machine to the list. You just press enter, it creates for you another bullet. And that is it. So now, alternatively, you can just type in the bullet. For example, we have health insurance. If I cut this, I press enter and then I'll put here the bullet and I type there health insurance. And then manually, to make this in a bullet format, you can just backspace and press enter. Backspace and press enter. But this takes a lot of time. So it is still better you highlight and then you click on the bullet. Now, after this, you notice that it will be creating only bullet points. You see, if I press enter, it will add bullet points. So if you want to remove, you press another enter and you go back to normal paragraph. So now let us look at creating numbered lists. Create numbered lists. We are going to click on this, for example, and here you'll see the numbered list is right here. And you can see project setup checklist. That is a numbered list. So if we want to put another list inside the list, you can just go to what we call multi-level lists. For example, under professional development, we have project setup, and then we have project deadlines, for example, and then we have project execution or something. If we want to put it, there's what we call multi-level lists. So under the project setup, I can do this and I come here. This is what we call multi-level lists. So if I click this and I go back here and press enter, it's gonna say 2. So now you have the project setup checklist. So what we are going to do, we're gonna click here and press enter. So when we press enter, you're going to see that it is gonna automatically make it a numbered list, but we want it to be a multi-level list. So I'm gonna do that, A. And then under A here, I can just highlight all these and then I do tab and then I put bullet lists. You see that? So this is what we call multi-level list. And then from here, I can do my number 2, kickoff meeting. And then under kickoff meeting, I can have another multi-level list. Now you can manually type here, A, you see that? Or you just press tab and then it will automatically pick up that. And then we shall do this, and then I'll do that. So I'll press tab for this so that it is arranged accordingly. So this is how you work with bullets. So let me do number 3 as prepare the guest list, send invitations, and then 5 is arrange catering services, and 6 is conduct web development process. 7. So now here, let us do multi-level again. Press tab, you see that. And then for this, you just press enter, B, design, C, content creation, D, development, C, testing, and we have numbered lists. And then also we have multi-level lists. This is whereby it's a list. There is a list under a list. So your assignment is to organize the rest of the remaining documents into a list. I'll link these documents in the description.